Come on. All the way up. Come on. Come on. There you go. Yeah.
Whoa.
Go away. Come on. Come on.
He's eating.
Oh.
Good, huh? Here, wait. Come back.
What are you feeding him?
Come back. Come on. Come back. Come on back.
Oh, that one wants it.
Come on. Come on. Come on.
What
Come
is
on.
that?
Come
Is
up
he
here.
holding
Come up here.
food?
Come on. You can get up here. Here you go. Go ahead.
What food does he have?
He didn't like that.
I got two.
Oh, shoot. There.
You can take the whole thing.
Oh.
He doesn't like that.
Fast.
Yeah.
That's good. You can't have it.
It just took a whole bite and then just...
Oh, there's a bird now.
Oh no, there's a bird. Right there.
Don't climb on the wall.
Right there. See that?
One false step and you'll be coming closer to the signs.
Oh, they're all here.
They're gonna fight over it.
Oh, oh my god. There's so many.
Attack the bird.
Just, wow. Those seagull, I can't really spell that.
What's the bigger piece?
Gun? Oh,
He doesn't like it too small. And the birds too. The
birds
are-
wanted.
The birds small.
Oh. Oh, really? Chipmunk chased the bird away.
There's a bird on
I'm catching it all on camera though.
it. What? It didn't even notice.
The bird saw it. He's playing it safe. Bird's afraid. Oh.
Oh.
Yeah, oh, here.
Why are there so
Oh,
many?
Chipmunks are- Do we have any nuts?
Guys, no more.
Nuts.
Clean up the grills.
Right at the cat. Hello.
It eats really fast but slowly. Right?
There may not be eating it all at once. Sometimes the wife will store it in their cheeks. Save it for later. More scraps up here.
John, right next to you.
Oh, what? That was tricky. Why don't they eat it all? Do we have any other food like nuts?
Did you guys get some pictures?
John, start throwing pieces of your sandwich.
Okay, guys. Let's go.
They probably want my sandwich.
Well, this is critter.